No, that's not something for it, man. That's not saying. Me not post it, man. Rasta, don't post it. Rasta, what you say? Jesus God, I post it. Jesus God. Famous. Yeah. Jesus God.
And blood clot before I yes, I'm wake up and dead. How I'm to do it? Yeah, drive up my car with your friend them. You do too much now, man. I true it, man. You do too much. And him see me now. And then you know the cheek I tell people about me, say me I go, me have man I look for you. Me have man I look for you. Me a man blood clot idiot. Man profile blood clot man. So me know me big bad and blood clot bowl as a queen. The world is fucking mind doing. And that you can't digest. You come see me with the world. I may you come a long journey. And before you hug it. You might either do music. You might everybody when I know a friend, him have them number. I mean, I have one I do with blood clot friend number. All him friends say, "Bomb clot Queenie, I idiot." If him boring, it can't boring. I mean boring. My life can't boring. You know so much explore. I'm give man for explore. Now idiot. I spend and do it. You know how much I invest in I do. Now idiot. I don't know check shit on my blood clot. Yes, tell the man bring my vehicle come up. I'm gonna get for rent my vehicle and make some money and get out with life and go buy one plane ticket for my England. Leave me the fuck alone. Mom can't have it through. I should have a make talk. Your cocky work for blood clot, but not when the cocky now work. Move your blood clot. Your cocky now work, you can't get my blood clot because something for something and nothing for blood clot, nothing. So if you forget husband half, get one lie, you forget the half. Me now blood clot, take it all of them disrespect. I swear. I prefer light it a blood clot fire. All that in mother say, if I can bring back your vehicle, me just push up my mouth when I talk and say, you can't make him bring back vehicle, darling. For you. I said that gun bag something that when they pan, him don't have no blood clot gun. Yeah, same way. Yes, I'm tell him mother. I say a friend and company and back it and hype do we look. Send your son to Canada or it. Because the things that I do me in England, I don't want him to come back to Canada because it's the girl next door. 5-10 minutes from me. I mean, I'm going to sell a girl bleaching cream tonight, you know. Them liberty, they on a fuck too much. So, I'm going to send for him come back to England. I don't carry no pit on a jacket, blood clot, bastard, blood clot, pit of them. What them call them when them breeding a marriage, move on a blood clot back in the day, sin and curse the pound through the world change. When you can't bantan me, I'm married by God, a man. You hear that? On a take marriage life for blood clot joke. Everybody married life disgraceful in them own way, but two and blood clot before no yes, I'm wake up and dead. How I'm to do it? Yeah, drive up my car with your friend them. You do too much now, man. I true it, man. You do too much. And him see me now. And then you know the cheek I tell people about me, say me I go, me have man I look for you. Me have man I look for you. Me a man blood clot idiot. Man profile blood clot man. So I know my big bad and blood clot bowl as a queen. The world is fucking mind doing. And that you can't digest. You come see me with the world. I may you come a long journey. And before you hug it, you might either do music, you might everybody when I know a friend, him have them number. I have one I do with blood clot friend number. All him friends say, Bomb clot Queenie, I idiot. Not pretty girl Queenie today. I don't want to be fucking pretty. I love myself. Any of my blood clot is. And my husband can't love me more than me love myself. So fuck off with the love you don't want to give me. Don't tarnish my name. Get a hold of yourself as a married man, because you know my mouth filthy and dirty and nasty and disgusting and you want to challenge me. Low blood clot that do it. Because you're going to wake up up here and I'm going to wake up the way. Low blood clot that I make me get my car. Because right now I say, I take me the soon see him going for life with all them friends. Move your dirty blood clot. You have to trick me boy there in Canada. So you can't go live. But forever. If you get Canada, why you hide it? You're supposed to shop for me like I used to make a drop down. Give me something to drop them. It's a bomb clot. Ooh. Me not drop them doing, me just feel great as a blood. And I tell nobody about me, I send no man for you doing my bad no blood clot. clot man for you. I'm mirroring the blood clot world. Anywhere I'm going to stand blood clot than the Queen reign. I want to you want some blood clot for like a bomb.
Just so we add my family for add DEWY.
I do.
We ask to come on the live, but if you add me and me, I can't answer me.
I do it for my life. Let do go get him friend and go for life. Let do it moving blood clots. Me now, I do it for my life. You're too blood clot. I do for life. So who you want to talk to for life? 14 days in a time. Who you want to talk to for life? Come tell you how purple my pussy tongue is doing. And what? Go over your friend them life. Go look bucketive. Be a girl who I interview you for your class, my dirty blood clot. Go over there. That's how you style that. How I'm to do it. I have enough of blood clot you. If I could have divorced you right now, I divorce you right now. Fucking rude. I'm not come talk about my overdo it and I do it. I do it for what? I do it for that. Do it, tie me. That girl love money. When I put my pussy in your face and the music, move your blood clot. A long time girl for a different girl for get them pussy suck. I'm glad how you diss my blood clot again for my diss back here. 6 years and 3 years with you. 2.5 years out of marriage. The 8th of September, God makes 3 years me and you fuck. That was sex anniversary. You know, some not even mention blood clot it. You know, some. Come have the plans to take care of them. Because I have the 2 kids them for them. You know. Remember me not plan my husband, you know. I just not pay him the mind. Because from don't run away from January. I'm not January. The 23rd of June. I know I'm coming here for peace. To be at peace in myself. And I know this relationship I have to either float or sink. When it blood clot sink now. You hear that boy I come sing disrespectful song. You know much people bring out them days at daytime I make them know you. You take over the whole of my friend them. I don't have none of your blood clot friend them. You say do it. Why you coming up yourself? So be popular, not common. Like him I show to me say I have more friend than me. You're not competition with me, do it. When you come put a boy and get up go perform later, see when you sleep all blood clot, then I ask you to take something for me, I pass something to blood clot, and give me attitude. That I do it. And people them care. You know can do now. I think I'm satisfied. You know look out for my car, man. I read nothing when no blood clot say you know. The blood clot, you know they say me string pill strong and terrible them before I try to show me say that hate me. I yourself you hate. Go! You know my time I cuss him for call him own son. I don't know me there I kill up my blood clot tape over here. Go and give me my car. Like them can't come in on my blood clot phone and my deep on the guana man, how much I know over here? Go on, go make friend with blood. You can't keep friend. Remember me tell you that. You can't use to do it. The way you share me to blood clot when me say with chin brother. But me don't say to Yvette, you know, me say Yvette. Do your part with somebody who him know want me know, which him always do. I bet you a chin. I'm not wrong. Are you friend them? But don't go around them and violate me and then have my vehicle now when I walk some blood clot. How much in throw me you go, you vex. When you look me in a party, I perform, you